night before Christmas. That means it's time to make egg casserole. Eggs, cheese, bread, and lots of breakfast sausage. So, let's do this. Now the sausage you want to cook down before, you want to brown it. There's been years where I forget to do this and I'm doing it like now, and then you have to cook it and let it cool a little and mix everything together. Try to do it at least a few hours before. You can do it the day before and put it in the fridge. You can even buy it at the store already cooked and crumbled. I won't tell anybody. It's totally fine. Well, throw the thing together, get in the pans, and we'll cook in the morning.
Christmas is just around the corner. Coming up just around the bend. Holiday couldn't be here sooner. Holiday for family and friends. And we've got pine tree, pine cone, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, and Santa Claus. Gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just around the corner. Coming up just around the bend.
This is a side note, I ended up only using 1.5 pounds of cheddar cheese. I just kind of eyeball it every time and it looked about right. Okay, so I got it all mixed together here. It's looking like it's supposed to. Now, for years, I would put it in a big 9x13 Pyrex, and the only problem with that is that it just takes forever to cook. I mean, you start at Christmas morning and you may have it for Christmas dinner. I mean, I'm exaggerating, but it would take like almost 2 hours. So the solution we came up last year, but just because we had no 9x13, was 2 9-inch cake pans. So you're gonna fill both of these, put them in the fridge overnight, get them out in the morning, get them in the oven, and it cooks in like half the time. So instead of being like, a good hour and a half, it's more like 45 minutes, which is totally doable for Christmas morning. Scoop it up about as evenly as you can. Let's go a couple scoops here. A couple scoops here. We just kind of smash it in there. Make sure it's all even, Steven. For one. And cover 2. All right, into the fridge we go, and I'll see you on Christmas.
Christmas is just around the corner. Coming up right down the line. Chestnuts roasting on the burner. Everybody knows it's Christmas time.
Okay, it's Christmas morning.
Merry Christmas, Daddy!
Merry Christmas, Rexy!
Yeah!
Okay, and that's what it's all about. Try the oven, 350, and get the casserole in. Hi, Toby! Hi, Toby! Hi! All right, so that's gonna be 350 for a good 45 minutes. I'll check after that and probably peek into the foil. If it's still really jiggly, maybe even go another 30. But I'll probably check it for 15, so it'll be like 45, then 15. And once it's firm, or almost firm, we'll take the foil off and just crisp the top up. And you'll see how it looks in a minute. Well, you will in a minute. It's gonna be a little while for me. Well, I gotta walk Toby, so Merry Christmas. Toby, you ready? All right, let's go.
And we've got Frosty, Rudolph, Snowball, Snowflakes, Cookie Dough, and that old Scrooge. Firewood, fireplace, sugar plum, jingle bells, and little helpers too. Christmas is just around the corner, coming up right down the line.
Okay, so we've taken the covers off. They're cooked through mostly, but I like to take the cover off and we check them in 15 minutes, see if they're done. If they're not done, we'll just cook them in probably another 10-15 minutes, and we'll have breakfast casserole. But in the meantime, I've got coffee and I've got cinnamon rolls getting ready to frost. So, all right, timer's gone off. It's time to get the casseroles out. Got them there. Huh? Now those are ready. All right. See, we got the nice browning on the edges. It's like spongy but firm in the middle. You rest them on the counter for about 10 minutes. A little bit goodness, just set a little bit. They poof up right out of the oven, and then they'll collapse just a little bit. It's just the bread and everything. But it's all gonna be good. But hat tip to my Aunt Jana, who gave us this recipe over 20 years ago. It's been my Christmas Day tradition ever since then. I even introduced it to Dorothy's family. So, and it's just a great breakfast casserole. So you'll love it. Your family's gonna love it. And in just a few minutes, I'm gonna love it. Have our breakfast casserole ready to eat. It took about an hour and a half, hour 45, from the time it went in the oven to when the breasting was done and I cut it up. But definitely use 2 cake pans or 2 small, maybe even 2 small Pyrexes. Don't do the big 13x9 because you're just going to be waiting forever and everybody's going to be mad because they're starving. Or they'll eat something else, but just make sure they have coffee and it'll probably be fine. But anyway, thank you, Aunt Jana, for giving us this recipe, and now I give it to you guys. You got the sausage, you got all the yummy bread, cheesy goodness. Merry Christmas. You like this video? Well, your dog might be barking, but give us a like, give us a follow. See you in the next one. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Christmas coming.